Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to DigiHub Learning. I'm Rihanna Bibi. Today we will learn what a computer is, how it works, and its amazing uses in our daily life. Have you ever wondered how a computer can solve difficult problems, play games, watch videos, and help people work? Let's discover its amazing world together. In this lesson, we'll answer 3 important questions. What is a computer? How does it work? And what are its uses in our daily life?
Are you ready to become a computer expert? Then let's begin our exciting learning journey together.
Hello everyone, my name is Computer. I'm your smart electronic friend, and today I'll tell you all about myself.
A computer is an electronic machine. It works using electricity and follows instructions to help us complete many different tasks quickly and accurately. A computer can write documents, draw pictures, play music, watch videos, solve problems, browse the internet, and even help people learn new skills.
At home, computers help children study, complete homework, attend online classes, and spend time learning with their families.
In schools, computers make learning more exciting. Students can practice coding, mathematics, science, English, and many other subjects. Doctors use computers to keep patient records, examine medical reports, and provide better health care.
Yes, computers help us do that.
Banks use computers to keep money safe, record transactions, and help customers quickly and securely.
Now you can see that computers are everywhere. They make our lives easier, faster, smarter, and more connected every single day. Every computer works in 4 simple steps: input, processing, storage, and output. Let's learn each step one by one.
Input means giving information or instructions to a computer. We use special devices called input devices. Hello everyone, I'm the keyboard. You use me to type letters, numbers, words, and sentences into the computer. Hi friends, I'm the mouse. I help you click, open programs, draw pictures, and play educational games. Hello, I'm the microphone. I help the computer hear your voice whenever you speak. I'm the webcam. I capture your photos and videos for online classes and video calls. That's right. These are called HENT input devices because they send information into the computer. After receiving information, the CPU starts processing it. Processing means thinking, calculating, and following instructions very, very fast.
Hello, friends. I'm the CPU, the brain of the computer. I work millions of times every second to help you.
When you ask me a question like 5 plus 3, I quickly calculate the answer and send it back. When you click a game, the CPU understands your instruction and opens it in just a few seconds. Every letter you type is processed by the CPU before it appears on your screen. The CPU can perform millions or even billions of operations every second.
After processing the information, the computer can save it safely in its memory.
Hello! I keep your information safe so you can use it later.
After the computer finishes processing your information, it can save it safely. This important step is called storage.
When you click Save, your homework is stored safely so you can open it again later. I keep your favorite photos safe so you can enjoy them anytime. Your videos, songs, and educational lessons can also be stored safely inside the computer. Storage keeps everything organized, making it easy to find your files whenever you need them. When you open a saved file, the computer quickly finds it and shows it on the screen. Without storage, your computer would forget everything after it was turned off.
Fantastic! We've learned about storage. Next, let's see how the computer shows us the final results using output devices. Wonderful! We've reached the fourth and final step, output. Output is the result that the computer gives back to us after finishing its work.
When you watch a video, the monitor shows the pictures and the speakers play the sound. When you need a paper copy, the printer turns your digital work into a real printed page. These are called output devices because they give us the results from the computer.
Now you know how a computer works, from receiving information to showing the final result. Let's review. Input gives information, the CPU processes it, storage saves it, and output shows the final result. Excellent! Today, you learned what a computer is and how it works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join DigiHub Learning. See you soon!